Good design is all about people, asking, how will someone use this? For a building, for a city, for manufacturing in general, success is related to people's involvement. I'm curious about advanced manufacturing, and Singapore could be a good place to find out more about it.
This is Hyundai's Innovation Center, where we use human-centric technology to drive innovation and technology for the future.
This doesn't look like your typical factory.
That's correct, it's a smart factory. This is a cell-based manufacturing facility. Compared to traditional conveyor belt systems, cell-based manufacturing allows us to quickly adapt to customization, where customers can customize their vehicles and then we can produce on demand. Here, our factory exists as an entire digital twin.
It's very interesting. We use it as well. We use it more for buildings, for cities. It's like a copy of the physical world.
Yes, that's right.
We use something similar while designing capital spring, simulating many dimensions of the building, from wind to energy consumption, before breaking ground.
We're able to test an engineer's, a customer's, and visitor's experience in a digital world before perfecting it through the feedback in the real world. This is the best part, my favorite part.
Can we see how fast this car can go?
Without our teams, without our people, we cannot drive innovation. It needs to be a whole ecosystem of people, team members, and customers to drive this innovation further.
And it's about designing not only for people, but with people. It is all of us, as citizens, who should decide what type of city we want to live in. And that is how we can improve our lives.